Gangnam is a name created by dividing the north of the Han River into Gangbuk and the south into Gangnam. The Han River runs through Seoul. In the 1960s, Gangnam was only treated as the outskirts of Seoul with orchards or rice fields. Gangnam was incorporated into Seoul in 1963 to disperse the population flocking to Gangbuk due to economic development. The government's purpose of incorporating Gangnam into Seoul was to get out of North Korea's anti-aircraft gun range and to disperse the functions of the Seoul Metropolitan area. Gangnam has now become the name of Seoul's wealth and trend lead. At present, 31 bridges connecting Gangnam and Gangbuk cross the Han River. Today, we are crossing Jamsu Bridge, one of those 31 bridges. I'm heading from Gangbuk to Gangnam. The bridge was built in 1976. It is used not only for connecting Gangbuk and Gangnam, but also for the rapid passage of military equipment during wartime. Therefore, Jamsu Bridge's height was designed to be low. The low height not only reduces construction costs, but also reduces the flow rate of the Han River when the water of the Han River increases. Jamsu Bridge is designed to be submerged in the event of a flood. For this reason, there are always news about if Jamsu Bridge is submerged depending on the water level of the Han River when flooding occurs. 멍때리는 내일 하나 오네. 아니 일요일마다 한다고. I visited this place twice for the shooting. One was during the day on October 2nd, and the other was during the evening on October 21st. On October 2nd, there was no traffic here because there was an event of car-free Jamsu Bridge walking festival. 여기 좀 천천히 가. A calligraphy event is being held here. Calligraphers are writing phrases that visitors want for free. People will leave a calligraphic message wishing for health, happiness, wealth, love, and more.
저기서 말리래. 저기
정신이네. 네? 바로 점수의 정신인가?
People are resting on cushion chairs in the middle of the bridge. I think it's before a certain event. I'm not sure what kind of event these cushions are for. One of the festival's events is called the Spacing Out Contest. Is this a place for spacing out? It's a perfect cushion to fall asleep while spacing out.
아니면 여기 뭐 지난번에는 뭐 써붙였더라며. 아니면 그냥 쉬라고 놔둔 건가? 여기 말고는 달리 멍 때리게 할 데가 없잖아. 근데 멍 때리게 하긴 너무 편한데? 잠자기 딱 좋은데? (10월 30일)
They named this place the Spacing Out Zone. It seems the cushions all there before are just for rest.
대회가 아니라 그냥 존이랬나 좀.
하나, 셋,
누군지 모르겠다. 나 모르겠다.
It was a little early daytime, but later there would be performances, flea markets, and food trucks. People are preparing those programs.
이게 다 먹는 거지? 아니, 그래? 보틀랜드 쪽. 그러니까 너무 일찍 왔어.
The festival is until the last Sunday of October. It's probably the last event of this fall here. The top plate built of Jamsu Bridge is Banpo Bridge. As Jamsu Bridge was frequently controlled when submerged due to flooding, Banpo Bridge was built at the top in 1982 to digest traffic. In 2009, the Seoul Metropolitan Government opened the Moonlight Rainbow Fountain on both sides of Banpo Bridge as part of the Han River Renaissance project. And 2 of the 4 lanes in Jamsu Bridge were changes to pedestrian and bicycle paths. The remaining 2 lanes are also used for pedestrians when there are events on the bridge, gradually making the bridge pedestrian-oriented. Thanks to this, bicycle paths have become wider than before, making them a major means for bicycles to cross the Han River. The Moonlight Rainbow Fountain performance is taking place. The fountain dances to the music. The landscape of the fountain and the pattern of the water stream changes according to the music, making the night view of the Han River more beautiful and colorful. When it was installed in 2008, it was listed in the Guinness Book of the World Records as the longest bridge fountain in the world. The fountain is only open until October. If you have a chance to visit Seoul, do not miss the picturesque scene of the fountain spouting water. A place that amuses people and mitigates flood looks fine, but it is designed for war as well. It's hard to imagine war supplies and weapons move through this bridge. The emotions I feel with those uses are mixed. This is the end of my narration.
들어가면 똑같아요.
됐어, 내가 할게.
여기
응. 다리 잡아. 그리고